Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your comment history on TikTok. So let's dive right in. First, open up the TikTok app on your phone. And once you are on TikTok, simply tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. And simply select Settings and Privacy. And once you are in the settings menu, you will see option of Activity Center. Simply tap on it. And now tap on Comment History. And here you will see the list of the comments you have made on TikTok. To delete a specific comment, go to the video. Once there, tap and hold your comment. And you will see the option to delete. Tap on Delete. Repeat this process for any other comments you wanted to delete. Keep in mind, you will have to do this one by one, as there's no option to delete all the comments at once. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your comment history on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.